Hello everyone and welcome to another action-packed episode of our super quiz. On the menu this month, 4 expressions all related to unity and division. So, if you are ready to join us, let's play. And your first expression is to stand shoulder to shoulder. With the help of the following video clips, find the meaning of this expression. So, did you get it? And the answer is C. Standing shoulder to shoulder with others is all about supporting them or working with them to achieve a common goal. Okay, next up, to give someone a hand. Come on, you can do it! So, did you get it? And the answer is, of course, B. To give someone a hand simply means to help them. N'est-ce pas, Rémi? Okay, ready for another one. To be at loggerheads. Need another clue? Okay, feeling confident? And the answer is, as our angry friends would probably agree, is B. And our final expression for today, to be up in arms. Getting a little warmer. So, what's it to be? And the answer? Oh, go on then. It's A, which brings us to the end of this month's quiz. So, before the situation gets too heated, here's a reminder of the expressions that you heard today. They were to stand shoulder to shoulder, to give someone a hand, to be at loggerheads, to be up in arms. Bravo! That's all from me. Be happy and see you next time.